Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Chromebook supports Android apps or Linux. Open Settings and check Chrome OS version and Play Store availability. Once done, sign into your Google account and enable Play Store access, because that unlocks many game stores. Make sure you free up at least 2 to 5 gigabytes of storage and prefer a stable Wi-Fi connection. This speeds downloads and prevents corruption. Finally, enable developer or Linux features only when required, and keep your PIN handy for installations. You next choose the delivery method. For straightforward titles, use the Play Store, search, install, and adjust app permissions. For PC titles, enable Linux Cristini in Settings, install Steam for Linux, then sign in and download games. This gives native performance when supported. Alternatively, install cloud clients like GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming from the Play Store to stream without heavy local installs. Make sure to configure controller mapping, storage location, and performance preferences before launching to avoid mid-game tweaks. You're almost done. Optimize each game by lowering resolution or effects, closing background tabs and apps, and switching to a higher power mode for better FPS. Once configured, launch the game and test controls. Use external controllers when needed. Keep Chrome OS, Play Store apps, and your Linux container updated to prevent compatibility issues. If something goes wrong, first clear the Play Store cache or Steam cache, verify you have enough space, and if needed, toggle Play Store or recreate the Linux container as a reliable troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.